Jesus said, "Seek ye the kingdom of God and His righteousness first, and then others will be added unto you." Two things are there here. Seek ye the kingdom of God, that is do meditation, and His righteousness, that is ahimsa, non-killing, non-violence, non-interference, that is His righteousness. When you kill, when you maim, when you violate, when you interfere with other lives, that is not His righteousness, that is His non-righteousness. Seek ye the kingdom of God which is within, that is meditation, and His righteousness, that is non-killing, non-violence, non-interference, and then others will be added unto you. Then everything will come to you in abundance measures. So this is a great statement. Now this great statement of Jesus Christ is the basis for PSSM. Seek ye the kingdom of God. And where is the kingdom of God? Within. Seek ye the kingdom of God and His righteousness, that is vegetarianism, plant-based food, plant-based diet, that is His righteousness, and then others will be added unto you. Whatever you want, you will get. Health, wealth, happiness, liberation, enlightenment, salvation, everything you will get. Social harmony, nature's gifts. Seek ye the kingdom of God and His righteousness first, and then others will be added unto you. This statement, translated into modern action, is called as Pyramid Spiritual Societies Movement.